Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Erik, and here with the investment channel, guys. We got some good news with Foresight. As you can see here, INET, which we know is a subsidiary of Foresight, has completed successfully their first pilot phase with a top global manufacturer in Japan. What does that mean? It means that we're getting closer and closer to commercialize this technology, and this is what we need to do. As soon as we get this going, we're gonna start seeing some revenue, and this is what we need, because right now, as we know, Foresight is not making any money, but it's okay. Most people do not know anything about Foresight. I want to say maybe like 5 months ago or so, and a lot more people are expecting, and they're kind of like demanding that Foresight starts producing a generated revenue just like that. I understand that they've been in business, I guess, in like for so long, but they weren't in the business back then to like start making money right away. Got to make sure that this works. This is something that's gonna save a lot of lives in the future, and so let them do their job. Okay, just be patient with them, and we're just getting closer and closer and closer to start generating revenue. I'm gonna go into the PR that was released today and read a little bit, and it's kind of like see, you know, what's to come, because just by reading these PRs, like we can tell there's a lot more to come. Right now, a lot of the news coming out is about INET, okay, not even about Quad Site, which is like, I guess that's gonna be like the main business of Foresight. But I'm seeing INET getting bigger and bigger and bigger than what it is as of right now. Alrighty, so we can see right here. So Foresight INET successfully completes first pilot phase with a top global vehicle manufacturer. We know that it's in Japan, and every single person out there on the internet is claiming that it's going to be Toyota. And again, my opinion on this, even if it's not Toyota, it's a huge win for Foresight, okay? And just going into the PR here, we could see this is right here. So this project has the potential to become a critical catalyst for integrating our solution into similar smart city projects around the world. So my opinion on this is that, as you can see, if this works out very well, okay, with in Japan, and let's say we go commercial with INET, and then we start seeing this developing around the world, imagine like how much revenue we can start generating. So this is why I'm willing to hold this stock for so long. Again, I keep saying this, probably like 2025. I'm gonna keep saying this just because, well, there's the future is bright, and we just gotta give them the time to work on things. Let's let them just work. That's it. Just let them work. Don't be too crazy or too quick to sell, especially if you're in this company for the long term. Okay, so that's my opinion on that. Okay, so that's pretty much it on that end. I'm gonna go into the charts real quick, kind of see how we did, because we did move up a lot pre-market. I think we went up to $8.74, which is amazing. Kind of like I told you guys before, that gap right there between this gap right here between $7.70 all the way up to $9.30. It's literally nothing. It can move so quickly between those levels, so just be aware of that. Now, as we can see, I feel like even if we drop down to about like 7 and like low sevens and stuff, we are still seeing an uptrend, and this is how it's gonna go. Okay, let's focus right now. We want to try and stay above the support level, which is 774. But then if we break it, we want to come down maybe to, let's say, open during like 724 all the way up to 731. If we can keep that level, then it's a good uptrend. But then if we break that, and then as well we break the 666 or 670 support level, then that's gonna break the trend, and then we can start downtrending again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I believe that this is still gonna keep rising. And also, just so you know, if you've been in Foresight and FRSX for a few months or even like a few weeks, and while like they release PRs and stuff, you kind of know that this stock doesn't really run when the news gets released. For some reason, it has a delay, like a couple of days or whatever after the PR, it starts running. So it's totally possible that next week as long as NASDAQ is green, you know. There's another thing too. If Tesla is going down for some reason, this stock has like some crazy hard time with like start picking up speed and stuff like that. So just keep in mind, as long as Tesla, this is just my opinion, as Tesla and NASDAQ is up, and we keep hearing really good news, we could probably break $9, $10 pretty easily and go back to double digits, which that's where it should be right now. And with that being said, guys, one thing I'm gonna have to start doing, just because I hold a lot of shares, I'm planning on start doing some covered calls. Okay, I have a lot of shares, and I feel like I can start profiting just by holding. And I do believe in Foresight long term, so it's kind of like a perfect opportunity. Even if, let's say, it's better for me if it doesn't hit. You know, if they don't hit the target price, then I can just keep the premium and also keep my shares, because that's kind of what I want. But we'll see. But guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, go ahead and please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.